Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and this is actually going to be a monthly subscription box unboxing. And the box I have today is by a company called Bliss Vibes, and yes, if you're wondering, it is black owned, sister owned to be exact. Bliss Vibes is a monthly subscription service that specializes in transforming women, and they really aim to change the women feel and think about themselves. And this month's box that I received is all about self love and self care. Very nicely packaged, by the way. I kind of just ripped it apart just now because I'm excited to see what's inside, but it is nicely packaged. Okay, so the first thing I got, there's actually 3 of them, and it says shower steamers. So these are, oh my god, these are so cool. These are basically like bath bombs for showerers because that is such a good idea because I am not like a bath girl. Like, I really love a hot, steamy shower. I'm a shower girl. And so I was always jealous though of all these these hauls from Bath and Body Works and Lush where people have these like gorgeous bath bombs that they drop into their bathtub and then soak. It says pop a shower steamer in the bottom of your shower out of the direct stream of water and enjoy the aromatherapy. A perfect way to start or end your day, especially if you don't have time for a bath. So that's perfect. So I got the Good Morning Citrus shower steamer. I got the Mountain Meadow shower steamer. And I got the Lavender Love shower steamer. I knew there was something lavender in the box because it's like the strongest scent. It smells so good. I love lavender. I'm going to use this one first. Okay, so moving right along, I also got, this is from Heavenly Organics. It's mint chocolate honey patties. Only 3 ingredients, 100% dark chocolate, raw white honey, and peppermint oil. So very natural little snack, I guess. So I got one of those. This is cute. I got a little pouch. It's like a little black leather type pouch with a little flower on the end. Yeah, and it's got a keychain on it. I also got, what is this? Oh, I got an infinity scarf. You guys see that? It smells like lavender. It smells so good from that shower steamer. So I got this infinity scarf. Cute. I got this notepad. It says work hard, dream big. And it's just like a lined notebook. And the last thing I got is this keychain. The package says faith on the outside. It looks kind of like almost vintagey. So that's cute. And oh, that's it. So that was everything in my self-love edition of Bliss Vibes subscription box. They have 2 subscription options. One is month to month, so you just pay as you go, and one is 3 payments up front, I believe. But I do have a coupon code for you if you're interested in checking it out. You can get 10% off with code Toni10. I will put the link down below in the description box, as well as the coupon code, so you can definitely go check it out. It's another great option for a Black-owned subscription box. The items themselves are not necessarily all Black-owned, but the company is Black-owned. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.